guys, and welcome to another beer log. After the rip-roaring success and hangover of our last pub crawl with Andrew and Mr Hyde, we're back doing another one right where I live, and one of the topics I'm most passionate about. What are we doing, Andrew?
We are doing mead, I believe. Is that right? Is that correct?
Yeah, mead. Mead, my favourite style.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, we are doing real ale. Real ale.
Real ale, not that fake stuff.
No. Non-ale ale.
So real ale is a very British tradition. Other countries make it, but the craft beer, or rather the cask ale culture, is very unique to the UK. So we're going to explore that specific to a little microcosm of North London, which is where I'm from and where I think the best cask ale in London is served. Not the best cask ale in the country, although some of it, but definitely in London.
Explain to me, the simple man on the street, what is the difference between a real ale and a craft beer?
There's absolutely no difference. Craft is an approach to brewing, an approach to selling it, an approach to marketing it. Cask is a dispense. So it's how you dispense that liquid that you have crafted.
Yeah.
So you have keg and you have cask. Both can be craft.
So I grew up drinking cask ale. I mean, from a reasonable age. From childhood.
Yeah.
It was in double figures. And that was the beer that I loved.
Yeah.
You know. And in recent years, I've been made to feel like I'm not cool for liking it.
Are you sure it's just the cask ale thing?
It's definitely just the cask ale thing. There's nothing else.
Yeah, I mean, I think the prevalence of American styles, or rather, not American styles, really hoppy styles, has meant that cask beer has taken a bit of a step back, because actually, really hoppy styles are often better on keg, where you get those bubbles that explode, let the aroma escape and get right up your nostrils, where it's served a bit colder, so you can't really get those really bitter, slightly lingering notes. It feels a bit fresher. So yeah, really hoppy beer on cask isn't usually as good, although there are exceptions. So I think that's why cask beer hasn't quite taken off in the same way that, or hasn't taken off as a result of craft, but it's definitely seeing a renaissance, and there are lots of fantastic brewers who are making very hoppy, very modern beer, and also making cask, or making cask versions of the same beer.
I'm not wearing my sandals today, because we're still in the backlash from the beast from the east, so it's still a little bit chilly out, but you know, come summer. But we're going to be trying out some old favourites, and also some slightly more new, exciting.
Yeah, so what I wanted to show in this particular pub crawl is the whole range of where you can get cask ale, what cask ale can taste like and look like, and the kind of people that are going to be drinking it. So the first place we popped into the Euston Tap, which is, it was one of the original craft pubs in London, like really set the trend for those kind of bars. Loads and loads of taps, loads and loads of bottles, constantly rotating list. And yet they have an absolutely banging set of cask ales that they're on in both turrets now. It's in the old arches.
Both Sentinels, let's say.
Is that what they're called?
That's definitely what they're called. I mean, if you owned that pub, you'd call them Sentinels.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah.
So yeah, we popped there and we had a lovely Windermere Pale from Hawkshead, which is, I think it's American hopped, so it's piney and citrusy, but it's 3.8 smooth, if you like.
It's delightful.
Yeah, really great beer.
A lovely way to start the evening.
It was.
And then we've gone on to something a little more well-known, should we say?
Yeah, and robust.
Yeah.
So we've gone to an ESB, which is a classic. It's an extra special bitter, so it's an extra strong, it's a malt bomb. People talk about hot bombs, it's a malt bomb. You get raisin, you get kind of rumminess, you get banana. I get a little bit of marzipan off it. As well as that malty, bready, caramelly, raisiny stuff, you get esters from the yeast, from the British ale yeast, which is what New England IPA plays off of, that have banana-y, marzipan-y, other flavours going on.
It's basically a cake.
Yeah, it's like a fruitcake.
Yeah,
it's a liquid fruitcake.
Which is pretty much perfect for me. Okay, and then we're going to head on to the Colonel Fawcett.
Yeah. So when we started doing research on this, I didn't expect the Colonel Fawcett to come up, but actually they've only got 3 cask pumps, but they're all modern cask ales. So I think they've got Bibble, they've got a beer by Hamilton, and someone else. But it's all modern, hop-forward stuff, so hopefully, and I love it when people do prove me wrong, hopefully those beers are going to taste banging on cask, even though they're very, very hop-forward beers.
Okay. And then we're on to Tapping the Admiral, which is not far up the road from Colonel Fawcett in Camden.
Yep. That pub has a chaise longue for its cat.
No seats for customers though.
Just one chaise longue by the fire and a cat. I assume it still does. The cat might be dead. I haven't been there for a little while. But it also has lovely beer. Like a big range of quite traditional cask beer, but it's also quite a modern pub. It does a really good pub quiz, and that's kind of what can be great about cask. What I love about cask beer, there's beers that you pour into a taku, you drink at home with some friends and you really nerd out, and then you go to a pub like the Tapping Admiral and you neck 4 pints of something that's just so Moorish, and that's what Tapping Admiral offers.
And then we will end at one of your faves.
Yeah, it's my local, and it's the best pub in the world. It's spit and sawdust, but it's so comfortable, so special. Big bay windows. I just love sitting there, drinking a pint, watching the world go by. Dogs are always welcome. There's always dogs in there. And the beer range, like I think it's 12 cask ales and 6 real ciders, 2 keg. The beer is really well looked after, really well thought through. It's pretty much all session strength. So you can just stay there all day, working your way through, and tucking into their pork bats, pork pies, crisps. It's just a magical place with really lovely patrons and really lovely staff, and the beer is it's my idea of heaven, that pub.
You know where else you find the Southampton Arms?
It's literally steak or steak with different.
It's not even my book, but.
So yeah, guys, make sure you sign up to the Mr Hyde newsletter where all of these pub crawls are going. Make sure you do the crawl, which we've suggested, because it's really good. It's all walkable.
It is walkable, 3.1 miles from A to E.
So you can burn off maybe half a pint while doing that. And please buy the book because all the details are in there, and this funds our channel and keeps us in beer. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching the beer log. Thank you, Andrew, for taking us again, and we'll find out what next month's adventure is going to be soon.
Can't wait. Cheers.